Hello traders, today is the 11th of June 2011 and happy weekend to you all. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It's primarily for the TSTWSYS08 traders. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS08 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magdi.com. The title of this video is A Poor Goldman Sachs. I hope you like this title about this stock, Goldman Sachs. It's not about poor Goldman Sachs as a company, but poor Goldman Sachs as a stock. Okay? So we are looking now on the yearly chart of Goldman Sachs Group, okay? And what do we see here? We're going to start locating the critical price level for the Goldman Sachs, okay? The first critical price level for Goldman Sachs is 17028. 17028. The next critical price level for Goldman Sachs is at 18593, okay, and the third critical price level for Goldman Sachs is 12951, and the last critical price level for Goldman Sachs, which is the closing price of 2010, the critical price level is 16819. 16819, and we do not forget the opening price of 2011, which is also a critical price level, which is at 17022. 17022. So these are the critical price level regarding the Goldman Sachs. As I said before in my previous video when I talk about the critical price level, that we must be aware of the critical price level of any financial instrument that we are trading. This is too important, okay, to be discarded, okay. Now, what's happening now for Goldman Sachs? Goldman Sachs is approaching the low of 2010, okay. The low of the year 2010 is at 12951. The price now at 13589. But attention also on the media line of the range of the candle of 2009, okay, the media line of the range of 2009. The price is also approaching that because if you look carefully here when I'm placing my red horizontal line, pay attention to the red horizontal line. I'm putting it exactly on the low of the year 2010, and below that red horizontal line we see the black horizontal line right below the red one. That's the media line of the range of the year 2009. So the price is approaching two important level, the low of 2010 and also the media line of the range of 2009. There's a high probability that this stock may find a support at the media line of the range of 2009. The media line is at 12634. 12634. But talking about the general market, we are trading first the market, okay, and then the financial instrument. The market, as I told you, in our view, the market is overbought and should come down up to the end of October, okay, at least up to the beginning of October. At least we should have a kind of a bearish season. Price going down. Sometimes you may see it going up, which is a kind of a rally in a downtrend. But the general direction of the market, in our view, the market should continue to go down at least up to the beginning of October. This is the inverse of the season, contrast season. Instead of having the bearish season, now we will have a bullish season, and the time of October will be a bullish season. That's our view, okay. You can perfectly disagree with us, but that's our view, and we do not try to impose our view on the market, but we will pay attention to what we have seen on the chart itself, okay. So the price approaching the median line, okay, of the year or the median line of the range of 2009, and also the low of the year 2010, and some trader will decide to buy here. in our view, this level will fail to hold the price. Okay, there's a high probability that something that will come and buy, but because the general market will be going down, okay, they will force the market to go to, they will force Goldman Sachs, poor Goldman Sachs, okay, to break this support level and to come somewhere below here, okay, somewhere below here. So watch it carefully, this zone of for the Goldman Sachs, the low of 2010, and also the median line of the range of 2009. Okay, so this is if you draw a trend line on this yearly chart, my crazy yearly chart, which I like very much, you can see if I draw a trend line and put joining this 2 point here, okay, this point and this point here, you can see that the price is touching it there, but there is the support level we are talking about is right here. But there is a high probability that this support will fail due to the pressure of the general market if the general market is bearish. Attention also on this candle here, which is a kind of a doji, some people will say hammer, okay. This one here, this year of 2010, followed by a bearish candle here, is a typical bearish pattern, okay. But because the price went up, have a kind of indecision here, followed by a bearish pressure. This is due to all the blah 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 regarding Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs has put their integrity in line. They have to answer a few questions to clarify their name and their reputation. So that's why the market is selling Goldman Sachs now. As you see in 2008, which is the bank crisis, the Goldman Sachs went down big time. There is another level that I want you to pay attention to. Do not forget this level. This level, I'm talking about the range, the highest points, okay, where the price went to in 2007. They achieved the highest point. That the highest point in 2007 is at 25074. That's not the level I want you to remember. That's not the level I want you to remember. And also the low of 2008. So I'm talking about the highest point of all these 5 candles, and the low of this all these 5 candle here, and the median line for the whole range from here, where I place my cursor now, down to this level here, the what I call the smart median line. The smart median line is at 149.06. 149.06. That's the level here where I place this. This is the smart median line, which I call the smart median line. Is the median line of the range of the whole 5 year candle here. Is this level here where I'm moving my cursor here at 149.06. The price below what I call the smart median line right now for Goldman Sachs. Okay, so talking about a smart median line, we will write this level down. You can write it somewhere. If you trade Goldman Sachs, you must not forget this level of 149.08. If one day the price return above this smart median line of 149.06, that's a buy zone. Okay, so the price now below that level of 149.06, which is bearish, approaching another median line, which is the range of 2009. Okay, if one day after the bearish season, like I told you, we believe that the market should go down up to October. If after the bearish precision the price return above what I call myself the smart median line, which is at 149.06, any bullish signal above the 149.06 is a buy without any question. So remember that level of 149.06 if you are a Goldman trader, Goldman stock trader. Okay, going into the monthly chart, what do we see here? Okay, we see that the price went down. Okay, retraced up to the zone of 61.8, approaching 78.6% zone here, and then come back down. Okay, into the zone of 38% of the movement from here to here. Try to go up. This is a serious failure, because normally the stock should go up like other stock, but it failed here because of what I talked about, the poor Goldman Sachs situation. A few questions to answer, and Goldman Sachs was going down, approaching the median line of the range of 2010, the range of 2009, approaching the median line of the range of 2009, and also the low of the candle of the yearly candle, approaching also the low of the candle of 2010. Okay, so this level is very important level, the median line of 2009 2009, the range of the median line of the range of 2009, which is at 12634. We will watch carefully this level here. Okay, it may receive a bit of support, go up a bit, only to retest the smart, okay, the smart median line at 1490C before coming down. So if you see a bit of rally, and if it's coming near the smart median line at 14906 before the end of October, that's a sell signal at the zone of a smart median line at 14906. So there's a normal condition. We are expecting the Goldman Sachs to continue the movement to the downside together with the general market until October before returning to the upside. But if for one reason or another the market come with some crazy market manipulation or some news, okay, to propel the price up, watch the level of 14906, the smart median line for this Goldman Sachs. Moving on to the weekly chart regarding the poor Goldman Sachs. I'm not talking about poor Goldman Sachs as a company. I'm talking about a poor Goldman Sachs stock. Okay, so do not confuse what I'm trying to explain here. And you can see clearly that this is on the weekly chart. Okay, and the price went down big time here, retraced all the way up here. This is capitulation because the price returned to where it was before, exactly there, and the investor just dumped it. Okay, it went down, people bought it, more blah 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 regarding questions regarding the reputation of Goldman Sachs. Price come down, poor Goldman Sachs stock, a price went up again, people again selling again, and now we are approaching the critical price level, the median line of 2000 of the range of 2009. That level is a critical price level. That, I mean, not the critical price level as such, but the critical price level is the low of the candle of 2010, which we are approaching also. If you break the low of 2010, okay, we will watch out carefully for the immediate support level, which is the median line of the range of 2009 yearly candle. Okay, so this is about the Goldman Sachs, the poor Goldman Sachs. In my view, the stock is a poor stock right now, as the investor do not know exactly where to put it or what to do with it, with all the inquiry and all the blah 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 regarding this company of Goldman Sachs. As you can see on the daily chart, those who love the daily chart, the price is in a channel. Again, this is what we are talking about. The price is always in a channel. Okay, the price was in this downward channel. Now it popped below it to retest it. Look at that gorgeous one here. Watch it. It may try to come and retest it again and come back down. Attention also on the median line of this channel here, a very important level. If you are trading on a daily chart, be busy drawing your channel. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video also, that you will put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. This is about the poor Goldman. We are the TSTWSYS08 traders. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon.